This is Tailwind Technology 236XT version 2020. This is body of machine. It can connect with a generator. Minimum power is 10 kW. Generator compatible. Made in Italy. Heavy duty 100%. Yeah. Yeah. Look very nice. The copper, power copper on up here. This is label. This is serial number. This is duty cycle. Looking very nice. We can change current here from 5 ampere to 200 ampere. Two line here. Connect current top and ground copper here. This is accessory include machine, garden top, ground clamp, and garden cable. This is weight and dimension of machine. Here you can see. Dimension 51 to 59, 23.5 centimeter. Weight 11.5 kilogram. Model technology 236XT. Maker Tailwind. Origin Italy. Code A16251. Version 2020. Different version 2020. Different other more version is this color, black color, carbon color. Yeah, look very strong. This is cutter box of machine. Yeah, this is cover. Yeah, two way, on face 21, 31. It's okay. This is the overview of Tailwind Technology 236XT. Thank you so much because watch my video.